So today I'm gonna show you fiber connection terminal, a fiber router. So this is a very cheap brand, but it's good. So as much as cheap it is, as good it is. So I can recommend this product, and let's see the pluses and minuses. Okay, the pluses: cheap and handles a lot of services and signals. Okay, maybe the bad part, steals this model, steals an older one, is like 3-4 years model old, but you can get for 50, maybe 60 euros, depends on your market. You may get the newer versions like 1041, 1041 version, model number version, that has 4 antennas and Wi-Fi 6, yeah, the new technology of Wi-Fi 6 with the 5G speeds. Yes, keep in mind 5G speeds, and that provides you, even in the LAN, the home network, the LAN network provides you in the network speeds up to 1 gigs of file transfers. So yeah, that's a newer model. For me, this older model, it's enough for my requirements, so I didn't have to upgrade until now, or at this point. Maybe later I will get upgraded and will get maybe the newer version, or from another brand, depends. But let's talk about this cheap router. Okay, so you'll get in the package a LAN connection, cable for establishing and creating a bridge connection for your LAN network. You also have phone connection. If you are using fixed phone terminals and fixed phone networks. So this, and also you will get in the package the current network adapter, and this is the proper router. So let's see. We have really a nice design. Okay, it's quite big, but it's nice. And on the minus parts, I can tell you these buttons are not functioning. They do nothing. Maybe with a future update, maybe I have to update, but they are not functioning except this reset button. And sometimes I observe it that even the reset button is not active. But I can tell you that this router has also a USB input, a USB port. So maybe to the USB you can get the update. Okay, you have to download from their website the update file, and save it on a memory stick and plug it in and do the update. But what I discovered, that you can do also directly on the internet. So they even have like an over-air updating service. So it's good to have a USB port here, but I can tell you that if you are accessing the menu, you have to access it like through an IP, so the IP is like 192.168.1.1. So you are logging in, and you have to establish your own password and username after the first login. So when you are getting in the menu, you won't see these buttons to do much, and the minus thing, the very bad thing, in the menu of the router, of the terminal, you won't see not even the USB port. So there is no setting, there is nothing about the USB. It's not even showing in the menu. But I can tell you this USB port is functioning when you are creating the LAN network. So you created the LAN network, okay, you can use you can you can plug to your network through this USB and you can see it like a printer. If you want to establish a network printer, you can connect the printer through this USB cable, with a USB cable through this port. Also, if you have to extend your inputs connection on the network, like readers, like card readers, different card readers, you may connect the card reader through this USB port and have like multi card reader options, and other peripherals and devices you can connect it through this USB port. Like I'm using USB hard drive, external hard drive, and yes, that's for another stocking, another way to have much more memory for my network. Okay, so I'm using this USB for a network printer and network hard drive. Let's go further and let's see the display. Okay, the front display. What the front side is displaying us, and what we have to know. First, it's your first is the current, the power LED. It shows you that you have power. The second LED, the second position, it's for PON. Keep in mind this is a optical fiber incoming router. So this router has incoming optical fiber. So it's using, this is a optical fiber router, okay, optical fiber terminal. So here you have the PON technology. That means this router has the PON technology. On the third position, where you see like LOS, there is no LED enlightened, because and this is the normal behavior that shows you that all the services are good and the signals are good. If here on the third position the LED is coming to enlight, that means your fiber signal has an error, or you don't have fiber signal. So on the third position, the only LED color will be red. So if you see in the third position here a red LED popping up and clipping, that means you don't have signal on the fiber cable. let's go further. This is the internet connection, so it shows us that we have proper and normal internet. The wireless LAN, if you want to create even a VPS, it will pop up here. You must create it from the menu. And let's go further with the other positions and other displays. Like you have 4 LED for position of LAN networking. Keep in mind, position LAN 4, it's only for bridge connection. You have the USB port, and you have the phone connection, the fixed phone connection. That seems we have signal, and we are in the phone network, the fixed phone network service. And the very last one, the last position, is showing us that we have digital cable signal, the CATV. Okay, so keep in mind the TV signal. It's that is coming through the cable and to the fiber cable. It's only digital. You don't have digital and analog signal anymore. It's only digital. So yes, this is all. This is so like I told you on the USB position, this is working. Actually, the USB position works. So I want to show you. I'm using external hard drive, like I told you. It's a Seagate. So I'm using it like a backup, like a cloud, like additional stocking memory for my network. Okay, so I'm connecting it right now, and let's see. Light, you can see the light, yeah, and you can see it here on the USB position. So it's functioning like a USB hard drive, and yes, I have a hard drive, a network hard drive. Okay, that's all. Hit the like and subscribe button and follow for more videos. Thank you for all, and see you next time.